Hey guys, welcome back to Tennessee Grilling and Smoking. I'm Dustin, and today we have got another good buy on some meat. I couldn't pass up. We was up there at the grocery store and we came across a half of a choice boneless strip, New York strip, and it's about 6.5 pounds, and it was $84. We got it for $40, so half off is a great deal. I ain't gonna pass it up, especially New York strips. So I'm gonna show you how I cut mine up. Check it out. Alright, like I said, it's just the half, but you know, it's got a half or half off, so that'll be fine. So I'm just going to start opening it up right up here. Just be careful not to get all that juice everywhere. Pull it out here. Put it right there. Alright, you can tell right there, look at that, that's a beautiful steak. It's good marbling, you can tell throughout it, so I'm really happy with it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut her up into some steaks. I'm not going to worry too much about trimming. I might trim some of this hard stuff off, but New York strips, they don't have very much fat in them. They're just a good steak to eat. It's my wife's favorite, so that's really the main reason I bought it. So let me go get my other knives. We'll start cutting off some of this fat, then we'll cut them up into steaks. Alright, so like I said, just some of this hard fat right here, we're just going to knock off. There ain't very much that we're going to take off of it. So yeah, that's actually about how I want it right there. Now we'll do some trimming once I cut the steaks up, but I'll show you how we do that. So we're going to go ahead and get this steak cut up, sliced up. Alright, we got the fat trimmed up. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn her around this way. This is where we're going to cut from. I'm going to keep my hand right here. I'm going to keep that straight. And we like our steaks about an inch or about 1.5 inches. So we're going to start right here. Just keep it straight and come straight down with it. Go ahead and cut us off a slice. Be sure to keep your knife down, cut all the way through it. Look at that. Look at that. That is a good looking steak. You see that right there? So what we're going to do, we're just going to go ahead, keep about the same size. We're going to cut all the way through the rest of them here. Get us some good steaks on this. All right. One thing is when I got this, I stuck it in the refrigerator for a little bit. It's a lot easier to cut up your steaks when they got a little chill to them. Just makes it easier for me. I mean, it's just, like I said, all this right here is just how I do it. I'm sure there's 1,000 different ways, guys, to do this. This is just how I've always done it. I've always found it's a lot easier to slice from the fat side. A lot easier to do it when it's a little chilled. So there we go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 good steaks out of a half of it, out of a 6-pounder. So shoot, man, 5 good. These are good size strips too. So I'll get 6 of these for $40 any day. Alright guys, so this is optional. You don't really have to, but I like to. My wife really don't like any kind of fat. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trim some of this fat around the sides here on all these. Now you can leave it on there, it'll just be a little chewy when you bite into it after you get them after you cook them up right. But I'm just going to take a little bit off. I ain't going to take it all off. So about right here is where I'll start. We'll just pull right there along the meat. Just be careful not to slice up and waste any of your good meat. And that right there is about how I'm going to trim all mine. You can see right there, you'll just have that little thin layer right there, and that's just fine. You'll have this, but no. Right there is good looking New York strip. completely satisfied with it. I'm just going to do that to the rest of these. We'll have our steaks. Alright guys, there you have it. We got 6 good looking New York strips cut out of that. You can see we didn't waste too much of it at all. Didn't have to do much trimming, and you didn't really have to do that. You can throw it on there, but you know, I just want to take away that extra chew when you bite down into it. You just want to bite down into a good tender soft steak, and that's what we're going to have when we cook these up here soon. Alright guys, there you go. So we got 6 good steaks out of that half of a boneless strip loin, and I'm happy with it. These steaks look great, and I can't wait to get them up on the grill, get them cooking, and show you how they're done. So I'll see you next time. Have a great day. And guys, as always, go to my description and click on the link to Greenback Designs Facebook page. Man, they do excellent work on all their products, and everything they do is handcrafted, and you can really tell by the quality of their products that they really care about everything they ship to their customers. So not only do they do just cutting boards, they make candles, serving trays, signs, and much more. So please visit their page, show them some love, and be sure to tell them the Tennessee Grilling and Smoking sent you.